Hello and welcome to Keepsales. We will be looking at how to modify the details of multiple products all at once. In the retail ecosystem, certain details of your product can change at any time. And with Keepsales, you are able to effectively modify and effect these changes smoothly. It doesn't matter how many items there are, with Keepsales, you are able to easily and comfortably modify them all at once. Now let's look at how to modify details of multiple products. So firstly, you locate main menu on the home page. You click on main menu and then you locate stock and then you click on stock. Now under stock, you scroll down to the various options under stock and then you click on Speedy Management. Okay, so you are taken to the Speedy Products Management page. Now under the Speedy Products Management, you are able to update your inventory by adding fresh or new stock, and also you can modify your existing products all in bulk. Okay, so let's demonstrate this. So under choose product, you click on the product list and then you select any products that you want to modify. You can either select it or you can search by typing in the product and then a list of options will come and then you select whatever you want. So this product is out of stock, so let's click on that. Now under this product, you will notice the existing details appear for the product. You will see the name of the product displayed. You also see the batch number displayed. Now you see the CP, which is the cost price, the SP, which is the selling price, and then the quantity to add. Right now it is 0 because we are out of stock. And now if the product is a product that has an expiry date, you can also select an expiry date for that too. Now also you can also delete any of the products you have selected by locating that particular product you selected. And then to the right, you will notice a delete button. You click on that delete icon and the items get selected. So you can select a number of products that you would want to make changes to. So let's select milk. Okay, so we realize milk appears below. You click on the product list again. You let's search for shirt. You click on shirt and then you scroll down. You will notice that the shirt also appears here with the batch number and then the other details. Okay, so let's select two more products that we want to make changes to. So let's say shoes. Our short blow dry is out of stock, so we can click on the short blow dry. And now let's select the last product, which is out of stock. Any products at all that we want to modify. So yeah, let's say slipper. Okay. Now for all these quantities, let's say we want to change the selling price of our laptop to 2000 cedis, and then we change the quantity to 10. Now you can either use any of the arrows to increase or to decrease, or you can click on it directly to select the number that is available. So 20. Now when we come down, our next item is milk. Item number 2 is milk. Okay, so we can let's just modify the quantity to, let's say, 50. Now milk normally comes with an expiry date, so you click on the calendar icon right by the date, and then let's say item will get finished it will expire in 2022. That is June 2022. Yeah, so let's say 30th June 2022. Okay, so now that is out of the way. Now when we come to bench shirts, let's just now our selling price here is lesser than the cost price here, so we can just increase our selling price to, let's say, 30 cedis. Now when we come to the quantity, we can increase it to 10. Okay, so our next item is the show blow dry. Now we can just increase the selling price to, let's say, 15 cedis, and then we increase the quantity here to 50. Now when we come to slippers, okay, so we can change the cost price of the slippers to 10 cedis. 100 cedis. We'll leave the selling price of 200 cedis. So we change the quantity to, let's say, 20 pairs. Okay, so like I said, anytime you realize you want to delete something, you can always click on the delete button. When you click on the delete button, the item gets deleted. Okay, so now at the end of everything, when we are done with updating all the details, the new details that we want to make, you click on run stock updates to successfully modify all those products. Okay, so you get the message here, a pop-up that says that inventory modification is completed and it has been successful. Okay, then you type on done. Okay, so this is how you can modify already existing products using a Speedy Product Management. Thank you for watching this video. We have more of these videos available for you.